Hey y'all, out here at the Moonshine Cruising in Hiawassee, Georgia, and I got a really nice 69 Nova SS. I think it's probably a real car. I mean, it looks like one you would have saw in a brochure back in '69. So again, I don't think I'm gonna get an interview on it, but it's just way too nice of a car to walk by. So let me get it set up and we'll take a look at it. I mean, it's got the red line tires on. I mean, the thing's just like I said. It looks like a car you would have saw in the brochure for a Nova. What a clean car. Now, you know, you see a lot of these, but most of them are hot rodded. As a matter of fact, there's one right next to it that's hot rodded, nice car. But I mean, this one just caught my eye because it's so clean. Well, here's the story. There you go. We won't spend all day on that. Only car from '69 to '84. 15 years. Man, just like when she bought it in '69. How cool is that? And I'd love to get an interview on this one, but these ladies, when they figured out I was turning on a video camera, they hightailed it, so there was no chance of getting an interview. But, and of course the Hulk, you know, I understand that, it's green. It's an SS. Man, just a nice little car. Excuse me. I got eat up by spider webs there. This is a cool place to have a car show at. They got these little garages, but like I said, the garages have spider webs. Look at that, $2,950. Man, SS equipment's a real man. What a nice car, man. I am glad I found this one. So anyways, there you go. From the Moonshine Cruising in Hiawassee, Georgia. A real '69 SS Nova, as nice as it came out of the factory. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya.